Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I've had a very slow morning today. I have put on some makeup, curled my hair, and I've been listening to Chloe's podcast, and I absolutely loved the first episode, but keep an eye out for the second episode. I just love listening to podcasts while I get ready, just so I can chill, not have any music in my ear. Today I really want to bleach these jeans because I've seen it everywhere on Pinterest that people are bleaching their jeans, like half and half, bleaching them. And I've also got this really old Primark jumper that I want to experiment, but I don't want to make it look like baby poo. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll just prop you there again. I've had these jeans from New Look for probably about a year, and they were a really horrible, really disgusting blue, and I tried to dye them and it just didn't go very well. Like, look at that. That is so stupid. Basically, I bought this dye from Hobbycraft and I think I put too much water in the bucket, so the jeans didn't fit in the bucket properly, and this is how it turned out. But I found some inspiration on Pinterest. I'll put the little things here of what I want them to look like, but I really don't know because I kind of want to do the half and half, but I don't think these are savable, so I think we're just going to have to bleach it. So these are jeans before we dye them. As you can see, if I zoom in, look at that bit at the back. It actually looks so stupid, but we'll add a few rips and we shall see. They're pretty snug, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's because they're freshly washed. Let's hope. It's definitely all the snacks I'm eating in quarantine, but it's fine. So let's get the bleach on, let's start. Front's better. It looks like tigery. I like it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it and see how it looks. So just hung and rinsed the first sweatshirt. I don't really know how I'm feeling about it, but it's okay. Me and Mum have decided to leave the jeans inside the little trunk, would you call this? I don't even know, because the bleach wasn't very even, so we're going to leave it in there and see if it becomes lighter. Hello everyone, this is actually the next day. We left the jeans for about 2 hours just sitting in like the bleachy water, and then we washed them out, and this is the result. So, you know what? I don't hate them. It didn't go as bad as I thought it would. Like I said, they're the lift and shape Tory jeans from A New Look. They're really crispy, but I think that's just the bleach. I don't think I did that bad of a job, you know. Let me just flip them over. The back is where they didn't go very well. Like, you can tell where I sprayed the bleach like that. And also, when I was bleaching them, they kind of started to go pink, because obviously I dyed them before and it was indigo colour. And can you see that? They're kind of pink at the back, but I don't really care. So I really want to rip them. So I'm going to put them on and then decide where I want the rips. Okay, I'm just going to say I'm pretty impressed with the job that I have done. This is them from the front. I think they're pretty even, but then if we start turning, you can see where they were obviously laid on the floor. They weren't quite laid out flat. And the back is just, we won't even mention the back. This side is probably worse. But I don't hate them, you know. Can you see that? My mum really wanted a little lightning bolt on the pocket, so we did it, and it has kind of come out, but I wouldn't realise it if I didn't know it was there. Just there. So I'm going to rip them, mark out where I want to rip them, and just go for it. I've just cut one of the hems off, and I'm just going to do the same to the other side. I'm just going to freehand this because I do this with a lot of my jeans and I really like how it turns out. Okay, so these are the cut jeans. I really like them, but I think I'm going to cut them a bit thicker. So let's try that and see what they look like. So I've literally just hacked a little hole in it, and I actually love how they've turned out. I think they look so much nicer than they did, obviously, but I'm really happy. So I'm going to show you the jumper now and get your opinion. So we also went a bit crazy, and this is this really old Primark jumper. You can't really see it on the camera, but it looks kind of camouflage and I don't hate it. What does the back look like? Oh god, the back looks horrible, but it's fine. The front is what you're gonna see, so it's alright. I don't know if I should crop it, so I'm gonna tuck it under my bra and then see what it looks like, and then I might just go ahead and hack it. Okay, I totally prefer it when it's cropped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it and then see where we are. Okay, here we are cropped, and I absolutely love it. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I really do like it. Pleasantly surprised with my DIY skills. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of me having a bit of a DIY session, going a bit crazy with bleach. If you do anything similar to this because of this video, I would love to be tagged over on Instagram or even on TikTok. I might have the final results on TikTok for you. So I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!